Hello and welcome to day 11 of learning Python from chatgpt. So let's get started. Okay, so please give me lesson 11, day 11 of learning Python from chatgpt with you acting as my private tutor. Okay, so sets. Sets are unordered collections of unique elements. By the end of this lesson, you know how to create sets and remove elements, add and remove elements, perform common set operations like union, intersection, and difference. Okay. This is quite similar to what I was doing in maths at the start of the year. So a set is created by placing all the elements inside curly braces separated by commas or using the set function. Okay. So you can add or remove, and discard. So add orange, remove banana, and discard. No, okay. Set support various mathematical operations. Okay. This is actually pretty cool. It'd be good if I use this in maths. So different. Checking for membership. Okay, pretty easy, just like tuple. You can iterate through the elements of a set using a for loop, some code. Okay. So create and print a set. Oh. So day 11. Oh, gosh, I'm tired. Okay, so let's add this and we'll paste this in here. So create a set. So colors, do American spelling. Red, green, blue. Let's do yellow. And print sets, so print colors. Animals, lion, zebra, elephant, rhino, cheetah. So, I don't know. So animals dot add giraffe dot remove. I'll remove the line. So okay, so now let's remove an element. Rhino. Oops. This. So create two sets. So one set with numbers 1 to 5. So 1, 8. Print for a 0.15. So intersection and we're passing for 8. Put this all the way around. The difference between the first the symmetric one. What's the symmetric? Oh. And to the next one. Let's do this quickly. Fruits, we'll just assign this. So it's apple, orange, and then let's see, just banana. Fruit, apple, in fruit.